The ability to extract patterns from inputs is foundational for language and cognitive development. The technique can address whether the remarkable heterogeneity of statistical learning in children is explained by domain-general or domain-specific mechanisms.
Our protocol allows for the measurement of statistical learning across domains and modalities within individuals, is child-friendly, and combines web-based behavioral with lab-based neuroimaging techniques.
This method will provide insight into the learning frameworks of language development. If applied in special populations, our protocol may also advance our understanding of language learning difficulties.
We are in the process of making our tasks accessible to the research community on Zenodo and GitHub. We encourage other researchers to reproduce our tasks once they become available.
To perform a web-based protocol, first navigate to the web-based statistical learning paradigm. For the syllable task, introduce the participant to an alien and its favorite word in its alien language.
Do.
Inform the participant that they will listen to the alien's language and to remember to press the spacebar whenever they hear the favorite word. Have the participant complete a practice trial before the familiarization phase, in which they must press the spacebar as soon as the alien's favorite word is heard. During the test phase, instruct the participant to select one of the two sequences that sound more familiar. The target sequence will be presented in the familiarization phase.